Hi guys, welcome to our channel Three Sisters. I'm Rania. So today we'll be making these really crispy coconut cookies. So first of all we're gonna taste these and tell you how it tastes. So yep.
Very crispy. Yeah.
Mm.
Yum, yum.
That's very good.
So crispy and it tastes like coconut too.
Really good. And it's very nice to have with tea and hot tea and those things. And it's a very healthy snack too. So we are going to be showing how to make these things. So yeah, these are the ingredients for the cookies. This is maida, or you can use, if you don't want maida, you can use wheat flour too. So, and then this is designated coconut. This is 3 teaspoons melted butter. This is 2 eggs.
This is sugar.
And this is half glass milk. So these are the ingredients to make our cookies. So we are making the eggs. So we need 2 eggs as said.
Yes. Add sugar.
So we added sugar into it.
Yes.
Give it a nice stir. Until this gets dissolved, we can mix the flour. So we are adding the melted butter to the flour. Now we are adding the designated coconut and giving it a nice stir, mixing it very well. Now we are adding a pinch of salt, just to balance the flavor. Now we are adding the mixture we formed with the egg and sugar. Giving it a nice mix. And by the way, this is our mother's recipe. So we have nicely mixed the ingredients, and now it's time to add the milk. So we are adding a little bit of oil to the dough. And mixing the dough again. So if milk is essential, then only add. Actually, you don't need that much milk, but just add a little bit of milk. No need milk actually, but if you need it, you can add. Guys, now we are gonna shape the dough into circles. But before that, make sure that your hands are clean, because don't come with dirty hands. So yeah. So guys, we are gonna shape the dough. So this is the dough. So we are taking take a lemon size quantity like this, and then just shape it into fine circles. You can also put oil in your hand if you want. If you don't want the
Stickiness.
Yeah, stickiness. Yeah, okay. So this is the dough, and then we are gonna put it in the designated coconut. So this is the designated coconut, and yeah. Okay. Right now. You can put it in your plate also.
You take the
Look at Halia's. You can make it a bit bigger, okay? Because She will only eat that small. Again a lemon size quantity. Press it properly. Yeah, okay.
Keep on.
Don't forget to add desiccated coconut because it's coconut cookies, because it's the main ingredient. It will like bring very crunchy and
Yeah,
really
tasty
more
too.
yummier. So don't forget to add that. And yeah, so we'll see you after we finish all these. And yeah. So guys, we just finished doing the like shaping the dough. So yeah, this is how we shaped it. This
Yeah.
is the result after we shape it.
both.
We are gonna put it in the air fryer, and in case you don't have air fryer, you can put it in a stove and just do it the same procedure like how you bake cake in a stove. Just do like that, and it's all ready. So yeah, let's go. We forgot to mention that in case if you have oven, you can also do it in oven.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the air
Yeah.
fryer. So yeah, open it.
Yeah.
And we will be putting this dough over there.
Yeah, in it.
So yeah, let's put it. Yeah, so we are putting the cookies. Put the cookies in the air fryer. So now we are putting the. So we have to keep it for 15 minutes at least.
Yes.
So now the cookies are in the air fryer. So guys, now the cookies are all done and ready, and we are about to show you. So we kept 20 minutes. Actually, we added 5 more minutes. So now it's very very crispy, and I hope it turned out good. Open.
Yeah.
Wow.
So crispy.
And such a nice smell is also coming, right?
Ooh, let's slowly. Yeah, let's
It's a bit hot. So these are the cookies. So we're gonna see how it turned out. Oh, really hot.
pretty hot.
So this is how it looks. Really
Wow.
crispy and really yummy. So
Looks good. Yum.
very crunchy too. So I'm gonna give the first bite to Hadia. How's it? It's hot, really.
How the hawk.
But how's it
It's very good. I like it.
now for Hadia? Now me. I'm relating.
This hot dog.
Cookies were so good, excellent, and we can't believe that we actually made it. So, but the recipe was our mom's, by the way. Don't forget to try the cookie recipe out. And I'm telling you, like if you buy an air fryer, it's really worth it because it's very helpful for everything, you know. Like you can fry, you can like bake French fries, nuggets, chicken. You can just do. You can basically like bake everything, but there won't be even 1% of oil, which is the best part about it, and it's very healthy. So if you want, you have to actually buy air fryer
That's
because
very helpful.
it's very helpful and very healthy, plus so yummy, 10 times yummier than frying in oil, and there's no 1% oil also, so which is really a great deal. So So don't forget to, like, if you want, you can check it out, air fryers. And don't forget to try our recipe. And this is the cooking series episode 1.
First
So
episode.
yeah, first episode. Next video, we are not sure if it actually will be a cooking video or normal any other video. But we'll be continuing this cooking series. So stay tuned, and we'll come with an amazing video soon. Bye guys.
Bye.
Stay home, stay safe, take care.